I'm telling you, if you have sold 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, you are wrong. Because you sold all your investment cheap. Instead of buying more, you sold. You are doing opposite of investment goals. So I'm telling you from now, you are wrong. If you give me more information about your investment, I will tell you what is wrong and how you can fix that. Because you don't get the idea of investing. Investing is a habit. It is not timing the market. Now, when we do what we call when you do day trading, swing trading, position trading, speculation, this is a trading. We buy, the stocks go up, we sell in a few weeks, few months. But you are an investor. An investor will never sell his investment except when the company is bad. The company, not the stock market. You are wrong. I'm telling you this. If you are serious, I don't know what is your capital. If you have a big capital, you have done a big mistake. But if you have just 5,000, 10,000, and you put them out like cash or inside, here you are just a small one who tries to make it count. Now, if you have a lot of money, 100, 200,000 or a lot of money, and you exit, you don't get investing at all. You are wrong totally. I'm telling you this in order just to give you an idea. Now, if you want to discuss with me this into details, please, you'll find here on the chat. You see the chat. You find my email, or you find my name in Facebook, Abdikarim Ramain. Send me a message, and then we can go from there. I will help you. Okay? Thank you very much. Now, Robert said, what will you buy with 1,200 Corona stocks? Now, listen. Robert, I don't know where you are. You are in Europe, right? Okay, but I don't know how the market is there for the drug companies in your country. Do we have like us the same thing? We have gap ups, gap downs, a lot of stuff. I don't know. If you are doing here, Robert, I have put a list in the golden subscription, and in the silver subscription we have stocks that we are trading now and they are doing good. If you are interested, go and do silver subscription or do golden subscription, or you can buy the ebook and you understand what's going on, and then you can buy stocks accordingly in Europe. Okay? But I don't know your in Europe. I don't know the market, so I can't tell you what to buy or what to sell, and I don't know even which stocks will gap up or will go good. Okay, it depends on which one is giving good news. So understand that this is something the thing. Now, if you have bought my ebook, I will explain to you more explanation, because you bought the ebook. I need to give you, because I always help whenever someone is buying an ebook or a training, or he has a golden subscription or a silver subscription, and he will ask me questions by email. I will explain more and more, because I always help those who are following me in real. Okay? So, Robert, check all that and send me an email or send me a message by Facebook. Thank you very much, Robert. GBPS stocks high. Virus very dangerous. Yes, we know it's very dangerous. The people are staying home. It's very good for traders that they stay home for long and they can make a lot of stuff, which is very good. But understand that this virus, like the other viruses coronavirus have been here before in 2001, 2012, 2003 in Middle East. So coronavirus, it is not new. It comes from this SARS-CoV virus. SARS virus, it dated 2012. So it's not new. But now, this coronavirus for 2019, it has done more damage to the world than the other viruses. Okay? It's the same family. It's a bad family, I'm telling you. Who's this guy? GPPS stock. You know, it's a very bad family, and if it is your neighbor, it's not good to stay there. You should change. You should sell your house and change to another place. It's a bad neighborhood. Okay, this coronavirus stocks. Coronavirus family is too bad. It came before in 2012 in Saudi Arabia. It's called the Middle East Langs problem. I don't know what it's called. So it has a name. Mike L say, did you buy puts on that Friday, the 21st? No. Listen, I don't predict. I bought later, I sell short. Yes. The next day, which is Monday. Yes, I sell short. But I didn't buy puts. But I sell short, yes. And I had made money through the downtrend. But at that time when I sold my shares on the 21st of March, it is just something I see wrong in the stock market, according to the price, according to my techniques. But I see if Monday is good, I will buy again. But Monday it was bad, so I sell short. So it depends on how the market reacts to what I see. Okay. Let me see. Hafiz Haq, you have given me Moderna. Yes, thank you very much. And Robert said mRNA. Yes, I see. But do you understand that these stocks, I put them like 3 weeks for my guys. And I say these stocks might have gap ups. I understand we are ahead of the market trading. That's why when I give information to my students and I say, do not buy too much. Buy like 10% of your money. If you have $10,000, put 1,000 and just play. Just play. Buy $200 for this stock that it is $1 or $2 or $5. Buy $200 of this stock that it is $16. But it means just play. Just play. And you should not put all your money into these stocks because they are volatile. They can go down also. They can lose money. So don't play too much. Because I like steady things, like following the trend. Because these stocks that we are trading, they are for speculation. They are not for swing trading. They are just for speculation. Now, Robert said the tech stocks are also doing well, like Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Apple. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Listen, guys. NVIDIA or NVIDIA, it's doing the same as the market. It's the same as Dow Jones. But it is good. It's good. Microsoft is doing good. Okay? Is doing good. But understand, Microsoft, we have bought it before. We have bought it here, Microsoft. So it is here. So we are making money in our account. Trading account, we are making money. So we have bought it earlier. And what is the other one? Yes, Apple. Let's see, Apple also. Apple, yes, we have it before. Yes, before we bought it here, we bought it earlier. Because I follow Apple. Guys, you don't understand what I am doing. There are some stocks. Because a lot of people, they don't know me very well. I follow some stocks very, very well. Sometimes I forgot about stocks. But most of the time, I got big trends in these stocks. Apple, we got it in 2018, we traded in 2019, and we tried it in 2020. Each year I trade Apple, Facebook, and the other stocks. Stocks that doesn't do good, like Twitter, I neglect them. I don't see Twitter for a long time, and I don't mention it anymore. Okay, it's not doing that good. It was doing good before. Now, Jocelyn Coty. Oh, how are you, Jocelyn? You come late, but it's good. It's good. Thank you very much for coming. And hope your investments are doing good right now. I don't know. I don't see. If you have the time, you can send me an email and you can explain to me what's going on in your investment. You are welcome as always. Thank you very much, Jocelyn. Jocelyn Coty said, "Hi Karim, please, what is the name of this new type of gas produced by USA?" I think it is called shale. I think it's called shale gas or something. I don't know. Yes, let me show you shale. Look, Jocelyn. Shale gas. I write it correctly. Shale gas. Shale gas is a natural gas that it is found trapped with shale formations. Shale gas has become an increasingly important source of natural gas in the United States since the start of this century. Okay? And interest has spread to potential gas shales in the rest of the world. Yes, because America now, I think it is selling a lot of shale. It's selling a lot of shale, a little shale gas, and there is shale. There is oil also mixed with gas, and there are some minerals that are so expensive. So that's why here in America, United States have been interested, and there are a lot of companies. Chevron, for example, I put the name here, since is one of the leading companies in America that it is making shale production, and it bought many sites in Africa. Especially in my country, it means I have another country, you know, I am from North Africa, from Algeria, and it bought 25% of shale in Algeria from Anadarko. Anadarko is another American company, but it sold all its shares to Chevron. So because they know in the future they need this gas a lot, and this gas they sell it to Europe from North Africa. Algeria is a producer of gas, as you might know, and oil. Okay? So they sell it to Europe. Europe needs a lot of gas, a lot of oil. So America goes to Africa and it buys shares of other companies, and they produce shale from the land exploration, and they sell it to Europe and they make profit. So thank you very much, Jocelyn. But why are you interested in this shale? Do you have a company? Man, I will work with you. But I don't like cold weather in Canada. You should be here in America to work with you, okay? And I need warm places like Florida, like California. I like the beach. I like the warm weather. I am not a cold weather with the snow. Even if you tell me there are millions of dollars there, I will not go. I like warm weather. Okay? So, Jocelyn, thank you very much. Send me an email, Jocelyn, if you have more questions and we can discuss that. Kenyan boy said, "Head, no coffee. Your information is keeping me awake." So you are awake without coffee is good. But for me, you see, here is my red cup of coffee. I should be awake in order to speak to you because sometimes I sleep while I'm doing the live. So that's why I have my coffee. Okay? Robert said, "What is your opinion about the stock Boeing? I speculate that the company will get a bailout." So let's go to Boeing very quick. Now listen. Look at Boeing, man. Look. Just to give you an idea. I have spoken about Boeing. Boeing has been here at 446. Now it is 154. So another thing is when we have the you can see here when we have the crash, it has done so bad from 349 to 144. It means more than 50%. More. It means Boeing was doing worse. I can compare it now for you guys to check with the Dow Jones. I compared it with Dow Jones, guys. Now look, I will take this. Now, look where is Dow Jones. Dow Jones stops going down here. See where it stops down. Look here where your company that you are looking for stops down. See? It's far away. That's why I told you transportation has been hit even before. Even before, you see, it's doing bad. Here, see here what it was? It collapsed and continued collapsing. So, you are asking me about the bailout in the future. Now understand that Trump is helping every company in the United States of America. So why do you think Boeing has other problems? Because some of its planes or aircraft, it was banned from flying. And a lot of companies in the world, they stopped buying from Boeing because it has 2 or 3 crashes last year or the other year. So understand why you are looking for troubled companies to invest in. In the future, you should see if the company is, if the company is going good in the future, it might be, but until we see coronavirus stop spreading and we have a cure for it and the airports are open, and at that time everything will be good. But all the other, let me very, very quick, because I think this is your last question. Okay, your last question. I will just show you transportation. At least those guys who have no idea. Okay, let's see transportation. Okay, let's see transportation. So here on the left side is always the sector, and these are industries, okay? So let's go to my chart. Let's go transportation. Okay, This is the transportation sector, and all these are transportation industries. Now I will show you the indexes and we try to see, okay? Now we begin with the first. The railroads sector is doing the same as Dow Jones, okay? That's fine. It means it's going up like the Dow Jones, like the whole market. Regional airlines are doing bad. Okay? You see where the regional airlines, it means the small companies that they do transportation in the United States, between states, they are doing bad. Air delivery and freight service is doing the same as the market. Now, trucking is doing better. Trucking, it means all the companies that use trucks in order to do merchandise, because they work maybe more, especially with transportation of food, of medical thing. It's doing good. So try to find stocks if you like to make money in this trucking transportation industry. Trucking is the sector, the industry here. It's called trucking. Okay. The last one is air services is doing bad. You see where the market is, the stock market is. See where the stocks are. It is bad. Now I can show you some stocks. This stock CP is doing better. It's Canadian Pacific Railroad. Yes, it's doing better. This is another sector which is called another industry called major airlines. These are industries. Major airlines is doing bad, as you can see, as I have just explained. This is a stock is doing the same as the market. There is another industry, is shipping is doing bad. I don't know why shipping is doing bad and the trucking is doing good. So it depends on the opinion of the people. I don't know. Is doing the same. Is doing so. This Kansas City Southern is doing better than the market. Even before, see, there is a trend. Trend is doing excellent before the collapse. So this Kansas City Southern was doing excellent. It goes down in the market, but it's going better than the market. This Old Dominion Freight Line is doing better than the market. FedEx is doing worse. Hunt Transport, this company is doing a little better. Okay, I will not go through all this. Please, you have the chart. You can go all over and you can check, because we are over. We are at 2 hours 6 minutes. So I should. Duna said Tesla is a strong stock. Duna, stop speaking about Tesla. We have spoken about this because the people think that it is good, and next week they buy and the stock goes down and they say, you tell us Tesla is good. No, okay? So you should buy from the beginning. You should never buy at the end. Okay? If you have bought Tesla, good thing for you. You have been making money. If you are following my golden subscription or silver subscription, and if you discover it by yourself, you are my student, it's excellent. But other people, they don't know when to buy. So sometimes it's very hard when it is too late. Okay? Robert said, the earnings are coming. Be careful. Yes. Be careful with the earnings. It's a very big, risky thing. If you want to stay, you should understand that you might have a gap up or gap down. Understand this. Don't play. If you are scared, exit the trade. Now, Monty said, not always cold in Canada. Listen to me, Monty, Canadian guy. Listen to me. I love to wear a short and a shirt, and I am near the beach, like Florida or North Carolina. Although I don't live there, but here in North Carolina where I live, it's warm weather. In January, my garden, because I garden a lot, I have blossoms in my trees, and my trees are blossoming. It means they grow. In January in Canada, I don't believe that there are some trees that blossom. Maybe inside the house, yes, but outside you have snow. I don't like snow, man. Yes, I can play for 2 days or 3 days. We play with a snowman. I don't ski, so I don't know how to ski. So I'm not a guy following the snow. I am a guy with nature. I like to hike in good warm weather. I don't like snow, okay? But I like to play with snow if it is a visit, or if I visit Canada just for fun, for 2 days or 3 days, I play with the snow. Yes, but to live there, no, man, no. Thank you very much, Monty. Thank you. Now, Top Series said, this is the last question. Do you think SPSE has good potential in the upcoming weeks? I have trading stops loss order for 10%. SPCE. I think we have seen this before. We have seen it last week, I think. Virgin Galactic Holding. So the stock was 42, now it's 18, and you think it's going up in the following weeks? I have no idea. You should follow my training, because this kind of information. Now, what I tell you is this. This is the mistake I will tell you that you are doing. I'm not telling you if you have done mistake buying or selling. No, this you should follow my strategies. I'm not giving you advice on what you buy, what you sell, but I will give you techniques that you are wrong using trading stops. You are wrong. I have made videos and I have explained this in my golden subscription or silver subscription. I have explained why it doesn't work. So for me, as a trader, as a swing trader, I don't use trading stops. Trading stops is not good for stocks to exit. You will exit and the stock continue to go up. You will be doing mistakes. To understand how I do it, so you should follow me in my strategies, or you should send me an email, or you should go to the golden subscription and you ask the question. I make a video to explain everything, why it doesn't work, this trading stops. And I will give you alternative. And I will tell you how I exit a stock. I don't exit with a trading stop. Okay? So if you want to know my way of doing business, you should, Top Series, you should either be a golden subscription or silver subscriber. Or you send me an email and you buy, for example, I have a training which is called how to protect your trades. Is training level 6. I have a training by videos and a training by ebook. Please, if you want to understand how I do it, order this ebook or this training, watch it, try to apply. If you don't understand, send me an email. You give me your stock, I will show you when to sell the stock, when to buy it again. Without putting stop loss, I will show you. Trading stops doesn't work. Because there are reasons for that. Now, I can't explain my reasons because I will not give you my training for free. You understand, it's business. So top series, if you want to learn from me something, okay, you do that. Vancouver, because only very short winter and people wearing short in January, but still not as warm as Florida, then get lots of rain in winter, very expensive life there. My mom dream was to move to Hawaii. Yes, your mom is correct. Hawaii is good, man. It's hot. We have all the tropical fruits. You're always near the beach. You can go and fish. You enjoy your good life. So why you are in raining? It's each time it's snowing or each time it's raining. And when you say you wear a short, what is your temperature, man? Because you have been minus 30 or minus 20 Fahrenheit, and you are good. But for me, if it is 32 Fahrenheit, 32, I am bad. I don't want this cold. But you are under 20 or 30 Fahrenheit, and you say it's good. It's good for you. No, man. Listen, don't convince me about Canada. I can visit Canada. You tell me the hottest time in Canada that week, I come for 2 days or 3 days, and I know it will be cold for me. I told you, man, I like warm weather, like your mom. I am like your mom. Tell her that this guy, watch his videos, he likes Hawaii. I don't like cold weather. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. And this is the end. I have stayed now around 14 or 15 minutes more than 2 hours. I am tired, I begin not to speak very well. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. If you want to follow me like in real what's going on, I give some videos of change. If you want to follow my trading account, not my investing and my other techniques options. If you want just trading, you can do silver subscription. You will see what you get when you enter there. Okay, so guys, it is just and for the guys who have bought all my training before, you have 50% of my subscription, 50% and forever. Okay, so this is just for you guys. Top series said here in Boston it's 37 degrees. 37 degrees. Now let's see. Let's see here. Here it's little cold. We have 50 Fahrenheit. Okay. Here it's 50 Fahrenheit. No, 50 Fahrenheit, not degrees, because when you speak about degrees Celsius, it's not the same. Say Monty, we say Winnipeg, no shorts in January. I am from Winnipeg, also known as Winterpeg. Thanks for giving us your time as always, Monty. I am interested in the gold in Canada or Alaska because there are a lot of gold. This is what I'm interested in. Not interested to be in coal, but to dig for some gold. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. And as I told you, those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get the news. If you want to follow me on my trading account, you should go do silver subscription or golden subscription. If you want just to search, you can do a basic search. I will do it each week and give you some information what's going on the market. So it's everything. I always give some good information and you can use in your trading or investing. So thank you very much and see you next week.